Hello, my name is Florin and today I will show you how to partially disassemble your pair of Blue Radio Victory, the ones that have 6 drivers on each ear cup. Today we will try to fix the problem with squeaking and rattling noises that appear over time. Okay, so first things first, we have to get rid of the ear pads or ear machines, whatever the name is it. As you can see in the video, it's very easy for me to get rid of them because my headphones have been disassembled before. After this, we need a screwdriver, preferably with 2 bits, one which is PH00 and one that is PH0. The one with 00 is for the exterior, the plastic that holds all the speakers, and the other one we need it for a screw that it's inside and it's holding the cup. After you removed the 3 screws, you have to be very careful with that speaker unit that holds all the speakers, because there are a lot of tiny wires and you don't want to break them. It's better if you don't have to resolder them. After that, we have only one screw left, and we will have access to the plastic hinges inside that holds the cup and are doing the squeaking noises. After you remove the last screw, careful, it's a little bit sticky. I used some common Vaseline. I bought it for my bike, and I use here some for the plastic hinges that are doing the squeaking noise. I added some even on the middle. After this, you just have to put everything back together, and if you want, you can take some tape and those wires that are seeing there, just put some tape over it and those will be fine. After this, the squeaking sound was hopefully gone forever. In my case, my headphones have a little problem. The 50mm driver, it's a little bit broken. And I need to replace it. I will attach a picture of a replacement unit, but you have to keep in mind that the one which is installed, it's glued in and you have to cut the glue with a Dremel. This is the video. If it was helpful for you, drop a like and have a nice day.